I have always been indecisive, but today I made the easiest choice I've ever made, being your wife.
The instant we met, I knew I had found someone special, and it didn't take long for me to know that I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you. Sarah, you are my soulmate, my best friend, and the love of my life.
Over the course of a few months, Sarah went from pretending not to care when he didn't text her back right away, to telling anyone with ears how happy and in love her and Mike were, and how no other couple would ever be as in love as they were. Thing is, though, sometimes you can't help believe it, because Mike and Sarah truly live up to every cliche about love. It was seamless how well Mike fit in with all of our friends, and it was clear how devoted and obsessed with each other they were.
It was one cold December day a few years ago that we had just brought our Christmas tree home, and Mike was laying in the snow making a snow angel. He looked up and he said, "Mom, I've met a girl and her name is Sarah." Of course, Sarah has turned out to be Mike's angel, and we're so excited to welcome her to our family today.
Now, Sarah and Mike, you embark on the most important journey as husband and wife and life partners. You truly are soulmates, and we knew this the first time Mike came to our house and we saw the way the two of you looked at one another.
Oh my God, you look beautiful.
Michael, I once wrote to you in a letter that you remind me of the first day of spring. The kind of day that makes everyone open windows to feel the breeze. The kind of day where colors are more vivid and you're reminded how beautiful life is. You have made my world more beautiful than I could have ever imagined. I promise to you that I will always aim to be your spring day.
I vow to love you forever, support you, and celebrate all of your achievements. I promise to never stop dancing with you. I promise to bring home gifts just because, and never let you be the last one upstairs. I vow to be patient, caring, passionate, and always make time to share special moments together.
I promise to never take for granted the little or the big things that you do for me. I promise to stand by your side and hold your hand when times are tough. I promise to never go to bed without telling you I love you and meaning it. I promise to love the man you are now and the man you will become as we grow old together.
It is my absolute honor to introduce to you all for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Aston.
I promise to be the best wife because I know undoubtedly that you will be the best husband.
I promise to make a loving home that we can grow a family in together. I love you.